Hi, welcome to another episode of Tech Tutor. Today we are going to create an amazing radial pixel stretch effect in Photoshop. For creating this effect, I am using Photoshop CC 2020. Let's go to create the effect. Here is the image I am going to work. First, we are going to remove the background by using Magic Wand tool. Use Select and Mask option from the top menu and invert the selection from the panel on your right side. Select the output selection tool layer with mask and press OK. Now we got our image in a separate layer with mask. Next we are going to crop the photo. We can use the measurement as 1500 pixel height, 1500 pixel width and resolution as 150 pixel. Hit OK and crop as you wish. Make sure that the color mode is RGB. Let's select a small portion of the image using rectangle selection tool. Hit Ctrl J to duplicate the layer and Ctrl T to transform the layer. Repeat the same for other parts with different colors in the image. This is to create the amazing pixel stretch effect in Photoshop. Let's rearrange the layers and merge it as a single layer. Make sure that there are no empty spaces in between them. And select all the layers and press Ctrl E to merge them. Move the layer to the top portion. Select all area using Ctrl A in your keyboard and make sure that the layer is chosen in the layer palette and select crop from image menu. This is to delete unwanted areas outside our artboard. Align the layer to the top corner. Do you know what if we don't put the layer on the top? Let's check. See the effect? There is a hollow space showing in the center portion. So let's keep it on the top corner and selecting filter menu, then distort and polar coordinates. Let's make the effect by inverting the original stretch effect layer and applying the effect. Let's see. I think the one with the red as outer seems to be good for me. Let's use it. Okay, now we are going to arrange the radial effect behind the man jumping. Let us mask some area in the radial effect. We can apply some shadow effect by using brush tool. Now we are going to create a background layer for the total image. Create a new layer and fill with color. Select gradient overlay from layer styles and choose your color. Here I am using this one. Let's work with the shadows. Now the shadow portion seems to be finished. Let's change the blending mode to multiply and the opacity between 70 to 75. This is the effect we are looking for. I think the effect is fine for me. Let's fine tune the artwork by creating layers and applying some effects by playing with the blending modes. You can play with the blending modes to create the effect more realistic. Okay, we are done. I think this is perfect. Do you want to try this effect with some other image? Let's try this.